Hello students, I hope you all are safe at home. Today I am going to explain you lesson number 17 and the name of the lesson is livelihood. The most important thing about village life is that the villagers use minimum facilities. Village people are engaged in farming or working in the field. Village life means the arrangement of livelihood with environment. Our country India has a wonderful unity in diversity. Our country has a unique identity amidst religion, language, region, and economic diversities. There are more than 5,000 cities and about 27,000 small and big towns. People come to the cities for employment from the surrounding villages. People from other states also come to the cities or towns. Our constitution grants right to settle and develop peacefully anywhere in India. People living in cities are connected with various occupations. Some people have connection with more than one occupation. We see many people around us. Everyone needs to create income to earn a livelihood for family. People earn their livelihood by service, business, or labor work. Children, you can see on page 108, 17.1, picture workers working at farm. Now, next topic is village life. Disa is a city in Banaskantha district. Little far from Disa, there is a village named Ranpur. Most of the people here are associated with farming. Some people do farming while some are busy in cattle rearing. In extra time, which is spared from farming, some people make tools, some stitches clothes. One man runs tractor. He goes for plowing when he is called. In spite of being a small village, people do not have to go to the city for a haircut or shaving. There are many small and big shops. Slippers and clothes are available in these shops. Medicines for fever, cough and cold is also available in the village shop at the time of need. Everybody grows potatoes and millet here and in the surrounding villages. Tailor, carpenter, barber, and blacksmith are also available in this village. Along with their occupation, they are also connected with farming and farm labor. One young man has made a shop for tea and snacks. Passers-by stand here more in numbers than village people do for tea and snacks. Some farmers grow vegetables throughout the year, while some other farmers prepare orchard for growing pomegranate and other fruits. People are seen growing fruits, flowers and vegetables in this village. Children, on page number 109, you can see 17.2 village life. Next topic, labor, work and life in the village. Everybody calls her Madhuba. She lives in Malpur village and got married in the same village. She and her husband work together in the farm of a big farmer. After completing household chores, both of them go to the farm for labor at 8 o'clock in the morning. They have two daughters who are studying in the government school of village. Mongji Bhai is the name of a big farmer. He has 20 acres of land. Madhuba works here for livelihood. She works from 8 o'clock morning till 4 o'clock in the evening. She sows seeds in the farm. She weeds and does other works also. After working whole day, Madhuba gets wage in the evening. It is difficult to find out work for every day, whether it is farm work or other work. Once she did not get work for many days together. Hence, she had to borrow money from Lavji Bhai. She was in urgent need of money since her younger daughter fell sick and it was necessary to return money. During this period, she did not even get work. So she sold her anklets to return money to Lavji Bhai. This happened many times. In absence of farm work, she used to do work in other farms as well as in stone mines. Since she is old, she can not do more work. She get exhausted. Hence, her husband helps her in her household chores. They come back home in the evening, complete household work, prepare meal, and then they eat. There are many such people in the village who do not own their land. Some people have small piece of land. Some landholders are dependent on rainfall for farming. Some people have to migrate to other place for getting labor when there is no rain. Now children, things to know. Just see, a wheel is there and the month is written over there, and the work which they are doing, the workers are doing, is given on that. So chart related to Madhuba's work is given. Discuss the following questions on the basis of this chart. So the first question is, when does she gets minimum work? So answer to this question is, Madhuba gets maximum work from June to November. Second question is, in which month she does not get work? Answer is, she does not get work in December, January, February, March, April and May. Next question is, for how many months she had to look for work? So Madhuba has to look work for 6 months. Now discuss. First question is, what work would Madhuba do in her house every day? So Madhuba would do the following works in her house every day. She would cook food for her family. She would clean the house. She would wash clothes. She would go into the forest to bring wood for fuel. She would bring water from the village borewell. Next question is, how would Madhuba's husband help her in the house? So Madhuba's husband would help her in cleaning the home, bringing wood for fuel from the forest and bringing water from the borewell. Now student, I will explain you the further topic in my next video. Thank you.